Well, I could definitely say just in the 10 months that I've been here, I've learned so much and just found myself. The growth that I've seen in myself is wonderful. And I believe that's from just the teamwork we have here, and the doctors are phenomenal. So they really are great leaders.
It's been tremendous. I feel like I've grown a lot as a dentist, as a person. I feel like it has a lot of good systems. The values are there. You know, this is how dentistry is supposed to be. Focus on the patient, and I feel like that's something I will always carry throughout my career. And then hopefully more places are like that in the future.
I think being a clinical team lead and being able to train the new assistants or whoever's transferring to become an assistant from the hygiene side, I think being there for them, it's really important to me, and challenging myself and training them and getting back what you know what I mean? Like I don't know. I think that's what's more important to me.
EDC has played a very important role in my career. Just from the sheer size of this practice, it has given me, I've been very blessed to be able to treat so many patients, so many unique situations from, different, areas of Long Island. People flock here because of the service, and it holds me at a very high standard.
So back in 2017, starting as a greeter, even though I wanted to start as an assistant, I had to start somewhere. And then itching to get to the back, I began assisting with Dr. Brown. And then I fell in love with dentistry and wanted to expand my education. So then I went to hygiene school, and now I'm in the hygiene department here, and I love it. So it's allowed me an opportunity to grow.
Yeah, so I actually started out, I've been a hygienist now for 15 years. I started out here as a part-time hygienist, then I went into full-time hygienist, then hygiene team leader, now I'm clinical director. So if you asked me when I started here 11 plus years ago where I would be right now, if I would ever be doing this, I would have said no, because I just, you get out of school, I have my degree, I never would have thought that I would be going into a different role. And I'm so happy that I did, and it's really fulfilling. And every day I learn more, and I'm constantly growing, and I'm really excited to see what the next 10 years has for me.
I have evolved significantly. I came on board 13 years ago as a chairside practicing dental hygienist. I went on to be a team lead, a trainer, clinical director, and now I am sleep director, working with our sleep apnea patients. And I have learned so much over the years. I've been very lucky to have all of these opportunities where there's been continuous growth for me throughout my career.
I have grown more confident in my trade as a dental assistant, just learning different skills throughout the years. A lot in the beginning with Dr. Brown with making temporaries and stuff, and then the past 16 years with Dr. Gaines, I've learned so much, and it's made me the dental assistant I am.
Well, of course, after this amount of years and watching the practice grow, I've done pretty much everything except at the chair. I've never been at the chair. And it's just given me an opportunity to grow in a lot of different ways, in a lot of different positions. And of course, it's been a support system to me in my personal life as well. So it's just really a whole growth experience.
BDC is my career. Okay, I mean, I started off, I graduated in 1995, I think. I did a couple years residency out at Stony Brook, got a first job for a couple of years. And then I got handed a note with a phone number for Babylon Dental Care from a friend. He said, look, he's like, I interviewed him, it's a great practice. It's not working out for me, but maybe you should give it a try. Sure enough, I interviewed. And that was like 1991. So this is my career. It's given me a place to go. It's friends that I've met, professional friends. It's home. This is it. I go from home to home and then back to home again. I have my wife at home. I have all my wives over here who yell at me also. So it's it's a great place to be.
It's they say, okay, there's home life and there's work life. It's all the same to me. It's my job, my hobby. It's my life.